Greg Ulner, Cannonball Bobcat Tree Service. We use this little nifty SD50 to do jobs like this where you can't really climb and because the branches are too small. So we'll use this to trim off branches that have broke or hanging over a house or whatnot. And then this little tool right here is a diamond in the rough. It'll help you get to where you need a lot quicker and faster in a lot tighter places than a tow behind or a big 35,000-pound Asplin truck, so to speak, one of those tree trimming trucks that you see going down the side of the power lines. So this is nice, so you can get in people's backyards. It leaves a very small footprint. Looks like a zero turn was in the folks' yards, and as long as it's dry, it weighs less than a half-ton pickup, and this thing really is a modern-day tool to help expedite the process of trimming people's trees and making their yard look good again. But thanks a lot. This is Greg from Cannonball Bobcat Tree Service. Call us for all your trimming needs. Thank you.